The secret society in? The dead silence of the school's ancient library. Alex's hand brushed against a loose brick behind a dusty, forgotten bookshelf. Curious, they pushed it. And with a creak that echoed through the silent hall, a hidden door slowly revealed itself. Heart pounding, Alex nudged it open, revealing a shadowy chamber bathed in flickering, unnatural light. Inside, strange symbols etched into the walls pulsed with an eerie glow, while a mysterious hum vibrated through the air, a sign that this was no ordinary secret room. As Alex stepped inside, a faint whisper echoed from the shadows, warning that awakening the secrets here could unleash forces beyond comprehension. Suddenly, the room shimmered with a swirling light, revealing a glowing porcelain unstable gateway to worlds untold, guarded by a strange mix of ancient magic and advanced technology. The air grew thick with tension as the door slammed shut behind them, trapping Alex and their friends Sophie, Jordan, and Riley inside with an ominous sense of danger. They realized with growing dread that they had uncovered something far more dangerous than they had bargained for. A portal to realms that defied the very laws of reality. Portals that certain dark powers sought to control for their own sinister purposes. Before they could react, a ghostly AI named Echo flickered into existence, projecting an ancient hologram. Echo warned them of an evil force lurking deep within these worlds, a corrupted protector guild that had been sealed away long ago, but was now awakening. Their quest had just begun. As they explored further, they discovered a hidden map showing underground tunnels linked to an imposing, sealed chamber, one that held the key to reversing the chaos brewing beyond their school's walls. But the danger was immediate. Behind the scenes, Principal Green, whose seemingly innocent facade hid a dark secret, was conspiring with alien beings and supernatural forces. They had awoken an ancient dark magic. Turning high-tech devices into powerful weapons of control. Green's plan was to enslave the entire school, bending the minds of students using a malevolent AI linked to the portal. Realizing they couldn't wait, the friends hurriedly activated the portal, which flickered and warped the school's auditorium into a twisted landscape part school stage. Part alien terrain filled with monstrous hybrid creatures and rogue guardian machines. The battle for their future exploded in a chaotic showdown as Riley kept the crowd entertained and distracted, playing merrily to buy precious seconds. Meanwhile, Sophie's sharp eyes uncovered illusions cast by Green and revealed his true form, a dark technomage wielding forbidden powers. Alex harnessed the ancient tech they had discovered, turning drones into spectral guardians and fighting off these supernatural foes. Jordan's strength was amplified, smashing through enemies with daring agility. Amidst the chaos, Alex made a desperate choice. He hacked into the core of the portal with a dangerous nexus of magic and machine, fighting against time to close the gateway before the dark forces could spill into their world forever. With the portal collapsing around them, Echo's voice echoed in their minds, guiding them to seal the ancient magic's source. Green was defeated, exposed as a corrupted relic bound by dark magic. And the school's hidden history was finally revealed. Its roots tangled with cosmic forces and mystical secrets. Though battered and exhausted, the friends stood victorious. Knowing they had saved their school and perhaps the world from an ancient evil buried deep beneath their feet. In the aftermath, their story spread, inspiring others to believe in the unseen and to stand against darkness with courage. The school, once just a place of ordinary students, now shimmered with new energy, guarded by the secret society of heroes who dared to face the unknown. As Alex, Sophie, Jordan, and Riley looked out over the school grounds, they knew this was just the beginning. Strange new realms, ancient powers, and cosmic secrets still lingered out. They're waiting for the brave to discover them, and they, the guardians of the hidden truth, would be ready.
Subscribe to my channel.